magkano ang naging insertion?
Well, ang new items for the record po yung new items na nakita namin dito is more than I think it's about 430 plus billion.
400?
New items.
430 billion pesos ang new items.
Yes.
Opo, new items. Opo. Doon sa 430 billion na new items, ilan doon ang para sa flood management? Do you remember?
Well, this is something that we are trying to tinitingnan po namin kung magkano yung flood control projects po na na-isolate po namin ngayon kung ilan po. But there are many flood control projects that were also included into that program po.
Oo nga po.
As a matter of fact, out of that, 26 billion was vetoed by the President. And many of those that were vetoed by the President are what we call ambiguous flood control programs or projects na nabito po ng ating Presidente.
26 billion ang na-veto ng Presidente doon sa 400 plus, sa kabuuang budget ng DPWH kasi ambiguous, meaning parang hindi klaro, malabo.
Malabo po, yes. Opo.
Okay, opo. So, sir, ito pong, ano ang danger, kung danger man na matatawag, o ano ang nagiging problema talaga dito ng DPWH kapag po mayroong mga insertion o kaninyo ay mga, ano bang tawag doon? New line items.
New items.
New items.
It would take us some time actually to validate and vet it into the field. How we can implement it, but this is already part of the law, and all we have to do is to implement it the best way that we can actually. Because at that point in time, pag nandoon na po sa General Appropriations Act, it's a line item budget, hindi na po namin mapapalitan yan. It's actually just the implementation that we have to undertake po.